Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can permanently delete your Instagram account on 2026. So I'm using an iPhone here to show you how to do that. You can do this same method on your Android as well. So first of all, go to your accounts and here type your profile on the bottom right corner. Select those three dots on top and go to account centers here. And here find personal details, and you can see the option account ownership and control. Click that option, and here is the option deactivation and deletion. Click it here and select the profile that you want to delete. I'm going to select this one, and here there are two options: deactivate your account or delete your account permanently. Select that and select continue. After that, it will show all the things that will be deleted with your account, like the thread account. This is connected to all the followers and the post. Click continue and select a reason. I'm going to select a reason for this one. You can select anything you want. Just select continue again and select continue again. And here you can see you can export your information on, and you can also deactivate your account. They will give both the option, but I'm going to select continue. And after that, you have to give your Instagram password and select continue, and your account will delete permanently. But if you want to come back to your account, you have to do it within the 30-day period. After that, your account will permanently delete from your Instagram. So this is the video, and I hope this is a helpful video for you, and I will catch you on the next one.